We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hi everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson of the day here on ICRT.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pom。
Hey, Joseph Ling. And Alice, it is getting cold out there right now, and that is because it's time that is known as the establishment of winter, according to the lunar calendar. 其实我们中国人呢有一个这个所谓的立冬啊，
立冬
立冬，这听起来好像什么红茶的牌子哦。你知道吗？好，我们不做免费的广告哈。Lipton，
Lipton
I like that. When it's winter, you gotta drink Lipton， 是不是吗？
错啊，Lipton 啊。
Lipton. That means the establishment of winter. Just to review some of the terms again for the four seasons. 我们再 review 一下，因为我还记得春夏秋冬怎么讲。春夏秋冬冬 Okay, there you go. That's spring, summer, fall, and winter. Now, in the Chinese culture, in the Hakka culture, a lot of people like to take Chinese herbs. It's kind of like in the Western culture, people take vitamins. 其实在西洋文化里面，大家比较都是吃维他命来补身体。可是呢，客家人也一样嘛，也会用这个中药，对不对？
中药材。
哦，中药材。Okay, so that's Chinese herbs. 中药材。
燉雞肉啦。
哈？燉什麼會？雞肉。雞吧。雞肉. Okay, yeah, that's stewing. You're gonna see a lot of stews out there, like chicken. Is that your favorite? 你很喜欢这个燉雞肉？
做的補血啦。
補血。
補氣啊。補血啊，補氣啊。
Oh, that's right. Oh, yeah, they say that a lot too. Literally, it means nourish your blood and nourish your energy. But all in all, it means it enhances your blood circulation and gives you more energy. 補血又補氣。
都好是個東西哦。
姜麻鴨又是什麼吃的東西了？哇塞，姜母鴨，對不對？是姜母鴨。Oh, those are so good, by the way. It's called the ginger duck pot, and it's available especially at this time of the year. You'll see a lot of people gathering around at various shacks, and they have pots in front of them, and there's duck inside and ginger and all sorts of... I'm drooling already. All sorts of different ingredients. 姜母鴨很好吃，非常补。對。So there you go. Hope you have a warm and nourishing winter. And that does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.